Melvin Luminarias Barrias, ang gwapong-gwapong kaibigan natin na Department Manager of the SBMA Labor Department. Sabi niya, "Good evening! Nagwo-walk kasalukuyan with my dog." Yun. Sana all my dog na nagwo-walk. Kasi ako yung... ako yung dog ko, ang kulit no? Pag nilabas mo, tatakbo agad. Tapos, hawak-hawak ko siya sa leash. Malaki husky. Nahihila ako, no? He doesn't just walk. Hindi siya ganun. Makulit siya. I don't know. Ano ba ang technique, Sir Melvin, para maging maayos? Para mag-walk lang din, ano? Ayan. And congratulations din kay Sir Melvin Luminarias Barrias. Ayan. Meron siyang... kailan lang nabasa ko yun, no? Yung kanyang pinost na achievement. Yan, okay? Ano nga ba yun? Yung sa martial arts, yes. Yan. He was with the 2025 Smart MVP Sports Foundation CPJ at the Victory Gym and Athletic Club, VGAC. Congratulations, Attorney Melvin Barrias. A huge salute to you for securing the gold medal under the Senior 2 recognized Pumse category. Pumse is a discipline in Taekwondo. Yan. I hope I'm not mistaken. Tama ba, sir? Yes, it's one of the disciplines of Taekwondo, no? Yan. Tama ba? Yeah. Pumse. Ayan. Congratulations, gold medal lang naman. Walang-wala, no? Okay. Attorney Melvin Luminarias Barrias. Yan. And shout out na rin to everybody at the SBMA Labor Department, yung mga kaibigan natin dyan. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Thank you for tuning in. Sino pa ba? Who else do we gotta greet? Let me check. Shout out din kay Ate Mayfloor Julian Mirador. Magandang gabi po mga kabandera, sabi niya. Magandang gabi rin po sa inyo. Okay? Wag niyong kakalimutan i-like and share yung ating official Facebook page ng 107.1 FM Radyo Bandera. Just look it up on Facebook. Yun po yung hahanapin nyo. Yun yung search keywords. Okay? And also, I wanna thank you mga nag-like sa Facebook page natin. Ako, hindi ko ayaw mag-open no? Nag-open ng sound, I mean. But anyways, sa inyong lahat na nandiyo dyan, maraming salamat. To July Julian, Ben Quijado. Hello, Ben. Kamusta ka na? Also to, who else do we gotta greet? Si Mahal. Hello, Mahal. Yan, okay. Swerte ako, meron akong mahal kahit wala akong pera. Kasi pag wala kang pera, mura no? Pero ito mahal. Si Brother Jepro, ayan, shout out. Nicole Gunob is there. Nag-like ng ating page. Maraming salamat. Thank you for doing that. Si Sir Teniente Milbert Adlawan, and lahat kayo, yung hindi ko na mabanggit, pasensya na po. Pinapatawad ko na kayo. Anyways, enough of that already. I gotta pass the mic to the next radio show. Ayan. Stand by for Juliet and Nika. Again, sabi ko nga, break na si Romeo and Juliet. Nika and Juliet na. Modern times na tayo. So stand by for them. Mga kwentong katatakutan is up next here on 107.1 Radyo Bandera. Okay, and final set of invites before I say goodbye. Check out the Auntie Anne's special offer for you. It's available nationwide. Lahat ng Auntie Anne's na may branch. Meron din sa SM City, Olongapo Central. Have a passion fruit cream cheese pocket today. Uy, sarap. Cream cheese pocket. And Caramilla Gelato at the SM City, Olongapo Central. Whether you're craving a scoop or going big with a pint, our Matcha Dream Gelato is here in all sizes to make your sweet tooth sing. Order through Grab or message us directly. Ayan. Again, nasa SM Central, Olongapo, Okay? And sip into summer at Conti. Soak up the summer vibes with the perfect refreshing sips. Cool down with our fresh watermelon shake, fresh yellow mango shake, black gulaman, and sago, or the ultimate halo-halo treat. Ayan. Visit Conti's. Drop by at Conti's at SM City, Olongapo Central, ground level. And lastly, Uniqlo. If you're in need of summer essentials, shop from the latest batch of Summer Ready. Limited offers from today until April 3. Uy, last day na bukas, April 3. So you guys better hurry sa Uniqlo. It's at SM City, Olongapo Central. Okay? Items, last call to enjoy exclusive Women's Month deals at our home. Ayan, take advantage of up to 24 months 0% installment on your favorite furniture pieces. Offer is valid until June 30, 2025 on all major credit cards, and terms and conditions apply. Ayun, buti nakahabol. Ate Marilu Angeles and everybody at G1 Studio. Hi, shoutout sa inyo, ha? Yung mga may talent dyan, magaling kumanta, or kung gusto nyo i-train yung mga anak ninyo, visit G1 Studio, okay? Visit their Facebook page. I forgot the address. Sorry, Ate Luha. I'm saying goodbye na eh. Pero anyways, meron namang Facebook page ang G1 Studio, okay? Para sa gustong mag-training in music, yung mga kids, tama-tama pang summer activity, no? Yan, so check it out. G1 Studios on Facebook. Here's my final song for you.